Welcome to the third of this series of our unboxing videos. I'm going to share more YA titles with you. So these you can all put on hold through the online catalog. You can give us a call or you can send us an email. All right, this first one, oh my gosh, this cover. Oh, I love this cover so much. I hope you can get a really good idea of it. Oh, just look at that. Oh, it's so cool. All right, so it's called Elatsoe. I'm going to read part of the inside cover for you. Imagine an America very similar to our own. It's got homework, best friends, and pistachio ice cream. There are some differences. This America has been shaped dramatically by the magic, monsters, knowledge, and legends of its peoples, those indigenous and those not. Some of these forces are charmingly everyday, like the ability to make an orb of light appear or travel across the world through rings of fungi. But other forces are less charming and should never see the light of day. All right, get this one on hold. I'm going to be reading this one. I hope you give it a chance to. Here's a nonfiction title called Girls Garage. And part of the money towards purchasing this went towards the organization called Girls Garage. And I need to check it out and learn a little bit more about the parts of my car and all of the tools. My dad wasn't always patient with me growing up to show me these things, so good thing we have books like Girls Garage to show us. And it's not just for girls, don't let the title fool you. Anybody, any gender can check this one out. Girls Garage. Ooh, I'm really excited about this one too. Who am I kidding? I'm excited about them all. So if you read Princess Academy, or if your younger siblings really like The Princess in Black, this is by the same author, Shannon Hale. I am really, really excited to finally see this one. I watched an interview of her about a year ago where she was talking about this book. This one has had quite the trip. It started off as a fantasy, and then it was an adult book, and then it was a realistic fiction, and she has transformed it into what I'm told is an amazingly hilarious book. The reviews are really fun to read of this one. It's called Kind of a Big Deal. I'm going to read part of the inside cover for you. There's nothing worse than peaking in high school. Nobody knows that better than Josie Pye. She used to be kind of a big deal. She dropped out of high school to be a theater star. But the bigger you are, the harder you fall. And Josie fell. Hard. Broadway dream? Dead. Meanwhile, her life imploded. Best friend? Distant. Boyfriend? Busy. Mom? Not playing with a full deck. Desperate to escape, Josie gets into reading. Literally, she reads a book and suddenly she's inside it. And with each story, she's a different character. A post-apocalyptic heroine, the lead in a YA rom-com, a 17th century wench in a corset. It's alarming, but also kind of amazing. Book after book, Josie, the failed star, finds new ways to shine. But the longer she stays in a story, the harder it becomes to leave. Will Josie find a story so good that she stays forever? I think this is going to be a story that's so good. I'm going to want to stay in it forever. I have 3 more. This next one has some holds on it. It's called These Violent Delights. I am incredibly excited by this one. It's by Chloe Gong. There's lots of buzz about this novel. It's action-packed, it's full of blood feuds and intrigue, and it's an own voices version similar to Romeo and Juliet, but a little more gory. And it has a lot more upheaval and drama as well. And look at that really cool cover. Again, this one, These Violent Delights by Chloe Gong. Another really cool cover, Refraction. What a striking cover. This one is a true page turner. You should get your name on the list for this one very soon. I'm almost positive it's going to get a list. I'm going to read the back cover for you. I stare grimly at the fog. I can smell it from here. Something acrid and chemical on the breeze, almost like ozone. It makes me nervous to be close to it. Not because it's dangerous. The fog itself is harmless. It's what's in the fog that fuels my nightmares. So this one's a page turner and a thriller, and you should definitely give it a shot if you're looking for something to bite your nails to. And the last book is the last book of a series. It's a 20-year series in the making. I'm going to have to go back and reread the first couple of books. It's called Return of the Thief. This is the thrilling conclusion to The Thief, and it has finally arrived. There has been some buzz about this one being a potential award winner as well. This epic series is for fans of adventure, magic, betrayal, and really in-depth world building. And it has lots and lots of plot twists. The Return of the Thief. Thank you for watching the last video of this unboxing series. If you want to place any of them on hold, give us a call, send us an email, or visit our catalog online.